So, how do you make money with Pinterest in 2025? A quick search online will show you dozens of options. But are these actually realistic, easy to start, and scalable? Whether you're starting a blog, selling digital products online, diving into affiliate marketing, or promoting your own personal service, this platform offers huge opportunities if you know how to use it right. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. In today's video, I'm walking you through 5 realistic, scalable ways to make money on Pinterest, even if you're just starting out. If that sounds like your vibe, go ahead and like and subscribe because there'll be more videos in this series that you don't want to miss. Today, we're just going to explain different ways you can get started so that way you know which path you want to take. Sound good? Let's get into it. Let's get started with the most popular and easiest method to get into. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. It's one of the easiest ways to start making money with Pinterest. But what exactly is it? Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service using a special tracking link. When someone clicks your pin with your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Sometimes it's 5%, sometimes it's 10%, sometimes it's 50%, which means the earnings can add up really fast. But where do you find the products and the links? How do you even know how to get started? There are a few ways to approach this. If you already have a blog or brand, like a food blog, you might promote products that naturally fit, such as blenders, pots and pans, cookware, you name it. If you don't have a blog and you need to find a niche, you might use tools like Pinterest Trends to chase what's popular and then find products that align. Or the third route is finding high ticket sales, meaning you find products such as $2,000 courses that pay 50% commissions. You'll have fewer sales, but way bigger payouts. We're going to break down all of these strategies in an upcoming video, so now's a great time to subscribe if you want the full walkthrough. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need a Pinterest business account and an affiliate platform where you can grab the links. A common one is Amazon Associates, but just know there are hundreds out there. So a quick Google search like affiliate programs for food bloggers is a great place to start. If you're curious about all the technical steps, best programs, and how to actually set up your pins, we've got videos coming on that next, so definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss them. And just a quick heads up, you can't drop affiliate links directly on Pinterest. That's a fast way to get your accounts flagged or banned. So this is where tools like Pin Generator will come in. They help you create optimized pins and link them to the right pages so your affiliate marketing strategy is both effective and Pinterest friendly. Instead, you're going to want to drive traffic to a blog post, a product page, or a landing page that includes your affiliate link. That way, you're creating value and staying compliant. Affiliate marketing is low cost, flexible, and can build over time. That's why it's our number 1 strategy on the list. Number 2, drive traffic to your blog or online shop. If you're creating content or selling products, Pinterest is one of the best platforms for traffic, especially when you're trying to grow without relying on social media or SEO alone. Pinterest is a visual search engine, not a social media app. That means it can drive traffic to your site for weeks, months, or even years after pinning a pin. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, where content disappears quickly, Pinterest pins have long-term reach. So, how do you make money from that traffic? If you're a blogger, traffic means more ad revenue, more email subscribers, and more affiliate links. If you run an online shop, traffic means more eyes on your product, more conversions, and more opportunities to build a customer base. The key here is consistency and having a smart strategy to get your pins in front of the right people. That means creating quality pins regularly, optimizing for keywords, and linking back to high converting pages. You can definitely make this work manually, but having a tool you love, like Pin Generator, can definitely help speed things up when you're ready to scale. This one takes a bit of upfront work to get started, but it's one of the most sustainable ways to build long-term income with Pinterest, especially when you combine it with affiliate marketing too. Number 3, sell digital products. This one's similar to driving traffic to your blog or shop, but instead of physical goods, you're selling digital products. Think planners, trackers, journals, templates, ebooks, digital courses, the list goes on. And this strategy is perfect for Pinterest. Why? Because digital products come with almost no overhead. There's no inventory, no shipping delays, no fulfillment costs. Once you create it, maybe in a tool like Canva or Notion, you can sell it over and over again. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, StanStore, and Payhip make it easy to host your products. And with Pinterest driving targeted traffic straight to your product listings, you've got a repeatable system that works 24/7. The only real cost is your time up front to design the product and set up your store. After that, it's all scale. That's why digital products are such a popular choice. They're low cost to launch, high potential to scale, and super buyer friendly. Your audience gets instant downloads, no shipping required, and you get passive income potential with every sale. Number 4, another way to make money with Pinterest is by partnering with brands or doing sponsored content. If you've already started gaining traction and driving consistent views to your pins, this is a great one to add to your list. Here's how it works. A brand pays you to create and post content that features their product, service, or message. Sometimes they want visibility, sometimes they want traffic, sometimes they want you to make content that they can repurpose on their own site. But on Pinterest, this could mean branded pins, educational content that features their product, or even a full campaign that includes idea pins, standard pins, and blog support. This works best if you already have a clear niche, consistent pin designs, and some sort of analytics to show that you're actually getting traffic or engagement. Pinterest is a great place to stand out, especially if you're in a visual or product-heavy niche like home, fashion, parenting, design. And because Pinterest content lives longer than Instagram or TikTok, it gives brands more value long-term. So this one takes a little bit longer to land, but once you've got your content strategy in place, it's a great way to scale. Number 5, become a Pinterest manager or VA. If you've already gotten the hang of Pinterest and enjoy the strategy side of things, you can actually offer Pinterest management as a service. A lot of business owners don't have the time or desire to learn the platform, which is where you can step in. As a Pinterest virtual assistant or VA, you might help clients with designing and scheduling pins, writing pin titles and descriptions, doing keyword research, managing automation tools, or building full content plans. You can charge per project, per month, or per pin, depending on what works best for you. This is especially great if you've already been building your own account and want to turn that skill set into a service. Plus, once you have a few templates or workflows in place, hello Pin Generator, it's easy to take on more clients without doubling your workload. Whether you go full on Pinterest VA or just offer it alongside other services, it's a legit way to monetize your skills and help others grow. So there you have it, 5 realistic and scalable ways to make money on Pinterest. Pinterest isn't just a place for inspiration boards. It's a powerful search engine that can bring long-term traffic, income, and visibility to whatever you're building. And remember, this video is just the start. We're covering these strategies in more detail in the coming videos, so now's the perfect time to hit subscribe and follow along. And let me know in the comments which of these 5 sounds most like your style, or which one are you most excited to try first. I'm Max, and I share weekly videos to simplify Pinterest marketing so you can get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week.